come on! You've got to be kidding me. Stop teabagging me. Damn it, Jerry.
Don't you just hate it when this happens? You snap your PlayStation controller clean in half. How do you fix it?
With duct tape.
And WD40, okay? We'll show you how. First things first, chuck it outside so you have a good workspace. Second step, find a flat spot to put it in so you have a good workspace. There we go. Third step.
Right, now what you're going to do is find the centre, like so, put the cord up there, and then you're going to want to get the WD-40 and spray it on here. Spray it in here. And then that cord comes out, but that's how the manufacturers made it. Then, you're going to want to not spray this side because this side doesn't need that. You're going to want to line up that plastic thing there, like so.
Here we go.
Then you're going to get your bit of duct tape you got. Fudge. It's got sand all over it now, bro.
Bugger.
Then you're going to want to tape it together. Like this.
Nice.
Oh.
Keep taping it.
Huh?
Keep taping. Don't give up.
Remember, kids, if it doesn't work the first time, you're not using enough duct tape.
Words I live by, mate.
There. I'm pretty sure that I'm happy with that.
Kids out there, you just got to improvise with what you got. There we go. Looks brand new already.
Right, now that you've done that, then you're going to get your WD-40 again and just give it a nice spray in every part you can. Then spray up the cord a little bit. Right. Then, what you're going to do is count to 3.
1, 2, 3. There we have it. Brand new PlayStation 2 controller.
Yeah, I know, right?
Kids, buying new things is for drongos. Fixing things is for heaps good people.
Yeah, what he said. And that was all the tools we needed.
You're very welcome, everyone. Easy repair.